Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and we're heading into Publix today. I am really excited about these deals. Do not skip on Publix. I almost skipped on Publix because I was just too tired to do the deals this week, but I decided to come anyways. Sorry the video's a little late. I usually do it on Wednesday, but today's Friday. Guys, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell to all. We have finally hit 2,100 subscribers, and I will be announcing the giveaway winner in the next video for the Walmart video. So stay tuned to that. All right, let's get into Publix and let's get shopping. We got a great money maker on the Tenna pads. Anytime the Tenna pad coupon comes out, of course we have to pick these up. So actually they have instant savings of $2 off. My store is not labeled, so here it is in the circular. $2 off when you buy the pack. So actually they're gonna be $3.39 instead of $5.39, but let's just do the math with the $5.39. So we're picking up 2 of these at $5.39, which makes them $10.78. We're going to be using a $5 coupon, if I can locate it. Here it is, this $5 coupon. It just came out in this past week's paper. If you do not have this coupon, please check coupons.com app or also the coupons.com website to print off one of these coupons. I think you still can print them off. Then we're going to use 2 of these $2 off coupons. That's in the extra savings booklet, and this actually expires on January the 8th, so you need to use it quickly. So we have the $5 coupon, and then we're going to use 2 of these, which makes it $9 in coupons. Then we're going to take $2 off of that, and then $2 off of it again, because the instant savings that they will do at the register, so you won't have to do anything for that, making this a $2.22 moneymaker or a $1.11 moneymaker per pack. So I'm gonna pick up a couple more packs of these to get more bang for my buck. Next thing I'm doing is getting this toothpaste. It's the Crest Pro Health at $3.49. Now they've got other ones that are a little bit cheaper, but I think I'm just gonna go with this one here because I like this one the best. So we're gonna get this just for 49 cents. So what you do is you're gonna pick up one of these at $3.49. You're going to use the $2 off coupon on the Publix app, and I'll put that up for you on the screen. And also, I got these coupons at the register the other day when I donated to, I think it was the, goodness gracious, what was it for? I'm so sorry, I cannot remember. I donated $1. And I think it might have been for the Special Olympics. I can't remember. But anyways, so I'll get $1 off as well with that. So that's $2 in coupons, $1 in this coupon, bringing that $3 off, making this just 49 cents each. We have a really great stock up price on these Alka-Seltzer Plus Colds. These are $8.49. I'm going to find out a little bit more about these. I'm going to ask the cashier if I can get it on the gels because we use these at my house. So these are $8.49. There is a $2 that's coming off automatically on these. So that's instant savings. So we'll make it $6.49. We have this $2 coupon that we're going to use on one of them, bringing that down after the instant savings to $4.49. And then we have a $2 coupon that we got in the extra savings booklet, and this expires on the 8th, so you need to run and get it. So I'm going to check and see about the pills, and I'll let you guys know. Since my store is not labeled correctly, I went to the customer service, and it's only on those little tablets, the 16 to 24. So I'm gonna pick up those instead. So still a great price at $2.49 for those. So you know we have a ridiculous amount of the Airwick plugs in my house right now, and we need some of the oil. So these are $4.49. We have this $1.50 coupon that came out in the Smart Source this past weekend, I think on the January the 2nd. So it'll bring it down to just $3 a pack instead of $5.49. Not too bad of a deal, no IBOTTA or anything like that. But I will be using that to get a pack of these Airwick oil. So pick it up. All right, we have an easy deal on the Carvana laundry stain scrubbers. These are $3.30 each. They're buy one get one free, so one of them is going to be $1.65 each. What we're going to do is submit to IBOTTA for $1 per bottle. And the good thing about this deal is we can do this deal up to 3 times. So with that $1 back from IBOTTA, it's going to make each of these just 65 cents each. So pretty great deal when it was $3.29. But when it started, no coupons needed, absolutely none, just an IBOTTA rebate, and you'll have them for 65 cents each. All right, guys, Airwick has been pushing these coupons out, and they want us to buy them so bad. So the double Airwicks are $2.79, and the single ones are $1.59. We got these in the Smart Source January 2nd, again, for a freebie up to a $3.99 value. So we're going to pick up all 4 of these because I have 4 coupons and get them totally free. So I think next year in my Christmas baskets, they will be getting some Airwick scented warmers with some Airwick oils. I think that's a great idea. So I do believe this is going to be cheaper than it usually is at Walmart. So this Arm & Hammer Oxy 5-in-1 on Swagbucks. These are a great deal with Swagbucks. So what we're going to do is they're buy one get one free. We're picking up 2 of these. So we're only going to have to pay $7 for 2 of these bags when we pick up both of them. And then we're going to submit to Swagbucks for 600 Swagbucks or $6, making these just 50 cents each. And I will tell you guys that this is a great deal for some laundry detergent, and this is some great laundry detergent. So 50 cents each for this, really awesome. Make sure that when you do check out, put this on a separate transaction. I do not like to put my Swagbucks transactions on the same as the rest. Sometimes you do not get your offers. So $7 for these for both packs, 2 bags, and then submit for $6, making these just 50 cents each. Alright guys, there's so many great deals with the Atkins products this week. I was thinking about picking up these protein cookies at $6.49, but I think I found a better deal with these Keto Treats. So these are buy one get one free. So there will be, when you buy 2 of them, which we're going to do, that's $10. Okay, so we're getting both of those at $10. And then I went to the Atkins website and printed off this $2 coupon. It was super easy peasy, no problem at all. So I printed off this coupon twice. So $10, I have a $2 coupon for that one and a $2 coupon for that one. That's going to bring it down to $6 when I do that. And then I'm heading over to Checkout 51. Checkout 51 has a ton of Atkins rebates, and I'll pop them up on the screen, all kinds of different ones on there for you guys, so you can use that. Now Checkout 51 has a $2 off on that one and a $2 off on that one. We're going to do it twice, making this just $2 or $1 each. So really great deal on these Atkins treats. So picking up these for just $1 when they started off at $10 per box. So pretty great deal on that. All right, we have an insane deal. I did not know this deal was on IBOTTA as well, so definitely picking these up. These are $6.99. This is the Preparation H cooling spray. If you don't use this, I'm sure someone in your family does, or you can donate this, because stuff like this, you know, just don't see it when you go to the food bank, because they usually have like a medicine section, and that would be awesome for some people. So these are $6.99. We have a $2 off coupon, and this $2 coupon is in one of the extra savings flyers, and it expires on the 14th. Okay, so this is the main flyer, and it expires on the 14th, so you have some time on this deal, so we're using that. We also have a $2 off coupon that we have, and I think it came out in the January 2nd papers, pretty sure. So we're down, taking off that $2 coupon from the store and the $2 coupon here. That's $4 in coupons. And then on top of that, amazing, IBOTTA has a $2 rebate. So we'll be able to get $2 back from IBOTTA, and we can do this deal up to 3 times. So again, we're going to do the $2 off store coupon, the $2 newspaper coupon that just came out this past week, and $2 from IBOTTA, making this just 99 cents. Great deal. Pick them up. I'm going to get all 3 bottles for my family. Guys, Publix is on fire this week. If you are loving these deals that I'm showing you, please make sure that you guys give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to all, so you can keep seeing all the amazing deals I have coming for you guys. I'm about to bring you some Flintstones Gummies for only 39 cents. Guys, when we were little, who didn't take a Flintstone gummy? Like, we all took Flintstone gummies. And you know, they weren't even gummies when we were little. They were like these chewy ones that were gross, but now our kids get the good stuff. So we're going to be getting these Flintstone gummies for my kiddos. They have the complete ones, and they have the immunity support, and we need this immunity support. I am a teacher, and we have kids out sick left and right. So get your baby some of these gummies. These are $7.99 this week. We are getting 20% off on these. That's going to be 20% off. It's going to be $1.60. We have these $2 coupons. They're expiring on the 8th, so please make sure you go and get them as soon as you can. So I'm going to be using this $2 coupon along with that $1.20. And then to top it off, we have a high value coupon of $4. Great coupon. It actually expires next Sunday, so you got to use it soon, and it's a limit of 4 exact same coupons per household per day. So I'm going to go ahead and pick it up for these gummies for my kids, and I'm going to go ahead and use 4 of these $2 coupons, so they are going to be set, ready to go. So remember that math. $7.99, $1.60 off for instant savings, that 20% off. We're going to use that $2 store coupon and that $4 coupon that we got in the, I believe it was in the Smart Source January 2nd, but I do know it was in the January 2nd paper. So that was a pretty awesome deal, 39 cents. Pick it up. All right, my daddy is going to be so happy because I always get vitamins for my daddy. Now, I know some of you guys were trying to get the one-a-day men's vitamins, the $7.29 ones. This coupon is not supposed to go with this. So don't even think about it. That's not right. We use what the coupon says and we do it correctly. So these one-a-day men, I'm going to get the one that are 100 count. It's $10.49 at my store. So I'm getting one of these. 20% off of $10.49 is $2 and about 10 cents. And then we're going to be using, of course, these store coupons, these $2 store coupons. So these work as well, and we can use them if we want. Remember, it expires on the 8th. And then we're also going to use this coupon. It came out in the January 2nd paper, $4 off, high value coupon. Remember what I said? This is for 65 count or larger. So don't use one of those 60 counts, 65 count or larger. This coupon expires next Sunday, so use them up if you can. So it's going to bring us down to $2.39 for these vitamins. I think that's a great deal considering that they were $10.49, and we're getting them for $2.39. So pick them up. All right, I've actually had this coupon since October the 24th on the Oscar Mayer products. These are buy one, get one free this week. If I were to get one of these, it would be $2.90. And then I could use this 50-cent coupon. It expires at the end of January, so I need to go and use it up, making these after the 50-cent coupon just $2.40 for the hot dogs. So not such a bad deal. All right, last item picking up is this Ragu. This is going to be a moneymaker for us. These are $1.99. This is a repeat deal for us. This coupon is for 50 cents. It came out in the Save 12/12 paper and is about to expire. So I'm going ahead and using this up. I'm also going to submit, I'm going to use 2 of these coupons actually. I'm picking up 2 bottles using 2 of these coupons. And then I'm going to submit to Swagbucks for 400 Swagbucks or $4. So let's do the math on this. When we get 2 of these at $1.99, it's going to be $3.98. We're using 2 of those 50-cent coupons, which is going to be $1 in coupons. And then we're going to submit 2 Swagbucks for 400 Swagbucks or $4, making this a $1.02 moneymaker or a 51-cent moneymaker each. So go ahead and picking this up, and I'm going to put this on the same transaction as the Arm & Hammer detergent. So I'm just going to do 2 transactions. One's going to be everything else, and one's going to be the Ragu and the Arm & Hammer. Hey guys, that was such an amazing trip at Publix. I was at the register for quite some time. Felt a little bad for the people behind me. I told them to move, but look at all of those coupons. And all that is either coupons that I had or coupons I got from the book. Now, you don't have to get as many things as I did, but I went ahead and maximized the vitamins and the preparation eggs, all those things, because my coupons are going to expire. Coupons don't last like they used to. If you were just to get like 1 or 2 items or whatever, like I was demonstrating in the video, your total would have been $9 for all of that. That's crazy. But because I got so much, I did have a savings of $137.92. I paid out of pocket $41. But then I'm going to go home, submit to Swagbucks, submit to IBOTTA, and submit to checkout 51. And I'm probably not even going to pay $20 for all that stuff I got there. So my total with everything from the start with 137 and the 40 was about $177. And so I am walking out of there when I get done with my rebate with all of that $177 worth of stuff for $20. Amazing. I cannot wait to go home and submit my receipt. Remember, I always do 2 transactions, so there is my Swagbucks receipt for that. So I will take care of that when I get home, and my IBOTTA and my Checkout 51, and always submit my receipt to Fetch, because you just never know what you're going to get. All right, guys, I hope you are all doing well. We'll be heading to Walmart this weekend, and I will be announcing the giveaway winner from the last video. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.